What's up guys, my name is Zackery and today we're unboxing the brand new 1/18 scale Porsche Panamera diecast model. This is the model that I bought from Amazon and this was 2,499 rupees. The packaging is really nice. So today's Christmas and we're gonna check out the packaging right now. Packaging is really good and we're not gonna read the bottom though. This is an original diecast model. It looks like it's already been opened. So now let's open the car. Open the box. There's a piece of tape right here which we need to take off. Got it. And now we will try to open the box right now because I can't open this. I will try my best. Got it. So there's this big thing inside. I'm gonna try to get that out. Here's the big thermocol box. And now we'll try to open it. I kind of took half of it out. So hold it. I got it. So this is the thing. Now we need to. That was so easy. And we're gonna open this. So it came with the cover here, and let's check the car out. Whoa. Whoa. This is so cool. It even has a license plate back here, which I'm gonna show you right now. Here's the license plate. You can kind of see it. Let's take this thing out. It's already been unscrewed. This thing's so heavy. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. There's an opening trunk, and the coolest thing with the Porsche is the deck moves. When you open the deck, it's a real big trunk. You can put a little bit of things here. Look at the logo. It's a nice detail. So let's check out the hood. Whoa, it's a huge engine. There's a little reflecting mirror. Every reflecting mirror on 1/18 diecast cars are like foldable, and this one is not foldable. So let's check out the interior. Whoa, this is the interior, and we're gonna open all doors, all the side doors. To open the back doors, you need to hold the handles. This is just so good. It kind of reminds me of the normal Turbo S, but this is a 4S. Some Porsches have the engines at the back, but this one is not because it's an SUV. So it lives right here. A GT3 has an engine. A Porsche 911 GT3 is just fans at the back, and in a GT3 RS there was a trunk right here, so it's called a frunk. Now we're gonna take a look inside. Take a look at inside of the car. Oh gosh, this thing's really heavy. I don't think I can hold it that much because this thing's so heavy. Let me close these two side doors for a minute. There's these side cameras. I forgot what they are called. The 4S doesn't have a camera at the front. The normal Turbo has the camera at these sides, and the 4S has no cameras on this side. We're gonna see if it steers. There's some moving axles at the wheels, and see that black axle moving behind this wheel. Yep, that's the axle. And look, it even has front suspension. The rear doesn't have any suspension because there's no springs down there. Only the front has a suspension because it needs to climb some rocks. We're gonna see how it steers. we're gonna have to lift it. It steers like that. I can't turn more left because of the steering wheel. Steering wheel's like straight, but it's kind of turning. When I was looking at the reviews, they said this thing is absolutely amazing, no problems. So there's no problems on the car, and the cool thing is it has a working steering. Take a look at the wheels, these nice wheels. There's even the brake disc and the brake caliper in there. So the red thing is the brake caliper, and there's even a rear view mirror in there. You can see from the trunk that there's a rear view mirror. In there's the rear view mirror. And this gear stick makes it go to drive, park, reverse. You don't need to shift with this thing. It's only for driving. It's only for putting it in drive, reverse, or park. If you park the car, just put it in park, and there's a cup holder here. Basically, you can't pull off the arm. You can't pull the armrest down. Some 1/18 scales like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and the Rolls-Royce Ghost can pull down the armrest, but you can't in this model because this is not a accurate one, but that's okay because the middle part, the logo is moving, and on the Rolls Royces don't. And you will check out the license plate once again. It's in the front and the back. D for Germany, RHMZ383. So that's the license plate. So we're gonna check out the chassis. So these little things connect to these exhausts. There's 4, and it's scale 1/18, made in China. It's pretty awesome right here. I don't know what these are called. I guess they're the thing that hold it up. I don't know. Anyways, these connect to here. These connect to the exhaust, which you already heard. And the tires are actually rubber, so the tires are good. We can't put this in the sunlight too long because it will just literally eat the paint. The paint will be gone, and it's all gray, like a scratch paint, like on my Charger, on my Hot Wheels Charger RT, my Alfa Romeo 4C. I don't know what this is for. It just says this. Maybe it's for the password, I guess, because it says pass right here. The brake calipers don't move when I do this, only the brake disc. That's what cars do when you move the car, when the cars move. Even on the front right here, the front wheels don't move it. I'll give it 5 stars for the rating. This is good car. This is a good car. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get some notifications. So thanks for watching. Peace.